Hello and welcome to the first episode of Board Bashing. Today we have an on-barrel speaker. To kick it off, we might as well start with a drop test. Okay, post in the comment section below if this is not visible. If it is, good. If it isn't, not good. Now, just for reference, this thing does work.
Power on. Bluetooth setup. Searching.
He was brand new at once, but I broke it because
Power off.
it no longer has a charging port. Anyway, let's get into it. Oh. That was the ludicrous drop test. Kind of rip the top off. See if it still turns on.
Power on. Bluetooth setup.
I'd be darned. There's a crack in it. Rip away this stuff. Ugh. Don't need that. It is cracked. Welp. Oh, and that's how it came off, because no screw holes, no more holding it in. Let's go ahead and do normal drop test. Face down. Let's just drop it a couple of times, because that's not a phone or device. So, second drop. Nothing new. Still broken. Is this on? Oh, it's on. I'm hoping you can cut this out of the video. Oh no.
Power off.
Well, I guess next what we should do is just another ludicrous drop test. Just 'cause. Oh no. Eek, let's go get it. Nothing new happened besides this is starting to come apart. This is starting to come off, and that's it. One more ludicrous drop test, then we can get to the next test. Actually, first we should see if it still powers on.
Power on. Bluetooth setup. Searching.
Appears that it does. Just sounds weird.
Power off.
Okay. Okay, next test. One more ludicrous drop test just 'cause. Whoa. Okay. This became disconnected, so I might as well reconnect it. Go ahead and test it.
Power on. Bluetooth setup. Searching.
Still works. Okay, time for the next test. Next test. Shovel test. Don't know what the shovel test is. Basically, what the shovel test is, what I do is I throw the device on the ground as hard as I can, grab out my shovel, and okay, there goes the top. Sorry if this is shaky. I'm using an iPad. I don't know where my phone is. If the bottom comes off, we cannot test it. I'm using an iPad, and this is hard to hold while also recording. So it's going to be a little shaky because I'm holding this shovel in one hand and the iPad in the other. So, sorry if this is a little shaky. to see if I can have someone come hold this. My head to the shovel. We'll go ahead and try turning it on. Oh, that's not going to turn on. Wire's severed. Well, we can still try. Well, one more hit. Wouldn't help at me. Okay, next test. Hammer test. I got someone to hold the camera. Turn it off, turn it off, turn it off. Hey guys, next up, hammer test. Okay, put it down. Well, I'm doing good. I'm trying to save these speakers as much as I can. I know Nat's gonna want that.
Show no remorse to it.
Get this battery out so the next test can be done. Okay, 2 more hits. Ooh. Okay, stop recording.
This is the battery. No burn test.
Okay, there you go.
Next test, wood test.
Okay, 2 more hits in the hammer, and then I'm gonna go try finding a lighter so we can try catching this thing on fire. Fun. You know what? I might as well try turning this thing on just to see if it still works. You? Okay. If this video does not get uploaded and someone finds it on the internet, then you know why. It's because I got shocked.
Electrically?
Shut up.
Okay.
Okay, let's go ahead and get that thing plugged in. Nothing. Yep, this thing's destroyed.
No coming
May I
back.
take out this SD card reader? Stop recording.
Cameras.
Keeping it up. Okay, rocks. Don't ask why I'm recording rocks. Okay. Okay.
Might want to back up.
We're just gonna continue hitting it with the hammer because I don't have a lighter, so I can't catch it on fire.
Alex, hit it with a piece of wood.
Oh, not a bad idea.
Or
Okay.
the axe.
I guess next test, wood test.
Never mind the speaker. That shattered it.
Very much so.
A piece flew this way. Oh, piece is stuck to the wood. Oh, stop talking.
Stop. You know what? Why am I hitting it with the hammer when I could be doing that? No? Okay. Still no. What the heck? What the heck?
I missed that, Alex.
This is hard. Hammer, 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 hammer. Where's the hammer?
Use the axe.
Okay. You guys should look out for this video, or next destructive video or board bashing
board bashing.
Because it is coming out soon. Sooner, right after this one, actually. After I'm done editing this one,
You might be doing a behind the scenes.
I'm going to be doing a phone.
My phone.
So with that, comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Bye.